Hello, Scoops. Yeah. So, as you saw, I broke stuff. It's kind of what I do. With that comes the opportunity to talk about the 3-point adjustments and the factory Kubota system and why it kind of sucks. And it's not a Kubota thing, mind you. This is just about any factory adjustment on a 3-point arm has this type of problem. First of which, we'll go over the failure mode of my setup here. And there's a problem with this design. Basically, no matter what implement you have on the back, and there's some pretty nasty implements you can get. Mine broke with a 6-foot blade on there, but there is all kinds of ground engaging tools that you can have on the back of your tractor, and they're only as strong as these links. And they're really only as strong as just the very end of these links. So about 3/16 piece of steel. I'm surprised it lasted the 500 hours that it did. What happened right away with mine were these pins that slide through here look like that pretty quickly. And I expected these to break right away. Amazingly, the pins didn't fail me, but these pieces did. The other part of these that are not great, and for those of you that ever have changed an implement know exactly what I'm talking about, the adjustment of these is just a nightmare. So these guys are gonna hold up so much better than the factory setup and be so much easier to live with on a daily basis. They're not cheap. They don't give them away. I'm gonna put the link in the description for them. There's a reason I didn't proactively upgrade these is because they aren't cheap, but they're gonna be worth it and they're gonna be the last ones you have to buy. So let's get through the process of putting these in. So I am using an angle grinder to cut off the old cotter pins because they're old cotter pins and they're real heavy. So why work harder? Okay, now just work the remainder of these cotter pins out. Both of these pins are pretty badly bent on this side as well, so we'll just tappy tap tap them out. Tappy tap tap. Tappy tap. Tappy tap tap. As you saw, very easy installation, and after putting it through a little bit of its paces here, I even got into some ice chunks. It feels really solid on the back of the tractor, and no give to it whatsoever. So worthy upgrade in my opinion if you got the cash to throw around, or if you do break yours like I did. I think this is certainly the way to go. And when it comes to changing implements, it'll be just as easy as pulling a pin, and then you can spread the bars wide open for a quick and easy change. So short little video for you. I thought I'd share it though. I think it's a great upgrade for any of you that do anything with 3-point implements, and yeah, so there's that. Want to thank you as always for watching, and I do appreciate that. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, and or criticisms, throw them down in the comment section below me. Otherwise, everybody have a great day.